test it out. Nice. Okay, Malphite and Ezreal and a Fiora.
You are definitely not the
Not too bad. 2 Lucians, very nice.
Always
Got our 2 quick draws already. It could be a quick draw angle. And a super here, which we might consider picking up. There's a rod.
I'll take my time with them.
Okay. We need Blitzcranks for the Lucian card. I think I'll just start with the quick draws. I take the Kale as well.
I will not bend.
I might sell this Fiora for Annie. Oh, there's the blue. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna look to play the Lucian here, if we can. I'm not really sure if it's playable with this, though. I'm not taking Radiant Relics again, that was terrible. I want like a golden ticket or something. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I think we're chilling with golden ticket here.
Metal is harder than flesh.
There was a quick draw guy, I think. Yeah, okay. So probably gonna be hard contested. Oh, there's another golden ticket. Holy shit, we are hard contested here. Oh dear. I'm not going to level up just because I need to stay low level for the 1 costs. Cool packed guy. Start off with.
I will not bend.
Is what it is. Pretty happy with golden ticket here. But we're not getting any free rerolls just yet, unfortunately. But that is okay because we will be selling everything, pretty much. So how many contesters have we got? Definitely this guy. Kind of this guy too, and then he's got quick draws as well. So we've got 4 quick draw players. It's par for the course. It's a pretty fucking OP comp here. So but hopefully we get the luck, and we have golden tickets, so we might be able to hit our units better than this guy, the quick draw soul guy. But I'm not actually getting any value for this right now because I haven't hit the free refresh.
I'll see this through.
We need Camille, and we need a Silas. terms of items here, probably just gonna go for Rabadons on my Lucian. I reckon. I'll take that double rod actually, because I can go for a gunblade as well. Or I can go for a spark with it. That might be the best thing. This is on a Kaiser, which is a nice quick draw unit to have.
How do you see this going?
Ezra's probably a bit better just because he's got a bit of utility. But yeah, we never want to press the level up button while until we get like Lucian 3 basically. This guy's pretty strong with that Israel too. We just haven't really hit our 2-star units other than Lucian, so it's chill. We're gonna get good carousel priority. It's a shame we won this fight. We would have had much more money if we had that streak. But
All the colors.
might even be worth selling Kaiser here. Maybe. Gotta just hope that we get luckier than everyone else. Looks like some guys have kind of gone away from it. Looks like they're going for more of an Ezreal focused game. Yeah, I might just sell Kaiser here, because we're gonna pick her up at some point anyway.
The magic calls to me.
I've trained for this.
Every 5 seconds, team gains AP. These are not great. I mean, that might be the best one, but it's not great. It really isn't great. I might just do this. 'Cause at least Lucian will get something then.
Another day, another bullseye.
I've trained for this.
Okay, I think we might just complete this gunblade now. I'm gonna do a little bit of rolling here. Oh, I missed the Silas though.
Always try. Heads will roll. Heads will roll.
Nice, there's Lucian 3. So yeah, the attack speed on Lucian really isn't that good. So this admin is it's not going to help me too much, which sucks. So it might be a bit not be as strong as comp now. Bonus attack. I don't think I want any of these. I mean, maybe Raider Spoils is going to be fine here. I don't think I can get anything like much better. I think Rarity Spoils is probably fine.
Metal is harder than flesh.
Heads will roll.
And then we just play this guy. I'm kind of down to just give. Do this. So Ezreal gets the gives the Blitzcrank an item. A 2-star Velvet. Oh, it's the guy. Yeah. That's unfortunate that we versed this guy again. I think what I can do is, since Ezreal isn't gonna give Lucian the item, because he's got full item set.
I've trained for this.
This work isn't for amateurs.
I think I can kind of do this sort of thing. So it just pops over to Blitzcrank. Let's try that. Nice. Just kill that instantly. That's really good. Yeah, the possibility of Blitzcrank hook here is quite nice. And it's got the potential to give Blitzcrank a nice tanky item as well, which will help him a lot. I definitely want components for something like a Spark, I think. But maybe I want to just give him Sunfire. Yeah, I'll just take this one. Because I need Magic Shred. Magic Resist Shred for sure. Either in the form of a Spark or a Static Shiv. Hopefully I can get that. That'll be the next priority for sure.
I will not bend.
Embrace the chaos.
I will not bend.
A lot of free rerolls there.
I'll
That's
make this look
nice.
easy.
I only have 4 Blitzcranks. I do have the duplicator here, which is nice. This guy's level 8. Wow, because he has level up. Like, Lucian's getting like bonus attack speed pretty much the whole fight, which is nice. Again, the admin really wasn't great. It would have been nicer if he had like a stacking AP kind of thing going on.
Heads will roll.
He's gonna roll to 40.
This work isn't for amateurs. Progress should never be kept when
Nice. We're hitting a lot of stuff. This Ezreal player already has this 3-star, which is annoying. Might be hard to beat this guy. Oh my god, he just one shots. I almost beat him there. Yeah, Quick Draw is just so highly sought after right now. But once we get 3-star frontliners, we should be able to win a lot more fights.
The magic calls to me.
He has no Lucians or Blitzcranks. Doesn't really have any of my units other than Ezreal. This guy's got a few Blitzcranks, that's it. This guy's got one Camille, one Blitzcrank. We should be fine to hit all our units here, I think. Maybe the Ezreal will be hard, but it's okay. Spat's not great here. Another duplicate is fine though. I guess I could go for an Infinity, maybe.
Metal is harder than flesh.
Nice.
Embrace the chaos.
I've trained for this. I will not bend.
Metal is harder than flesh.
I'll sell Kai'Sa before anything else.
This work isn't for amateurs.
Ah, damn. I misclicked. Alright, I have 2 duplicators here, so just one more Ezreal. Or I could just do them both on Ezreal. I might do that. What is this gonna take? First crown. Very risky. He's gonna take a lot of damage off this one. Yeah, he's almost dead now. Wow. Renegade Crest. I think I'm down.
Let's do this.
Oh, I shouldn't be, bro. I shouldn't level up here.
This work isn't for amateurs.
Nice.
Progress should never be halfway.
Watch and learn.
So the Infiniteam spot is at the front. I could definitely go Infiniteam Blitzcrank.
Get paid and get out.
And then Renegade on this guy, I guess. Then maybe I can go for... I mean, who should this Infiniteam be? It should probably be like a heart unit or what? I actually don't have heart. Probably just like a... It's probably ultimate Ezreal ideally, but I don't know if we're gonna get that. See, I was gonna go for more quick draw, but I might just be Renegade now. That's better. I feel like Infiniteam does help a bit because it makes my front line just super tanky. Okay, so that's the slot, so I might have to do this sort of positioning. I think Infiniteam here is worth. Hopefully I one-shot this Garen here. Oh, I didn't. Since I got that Renegade crest, it's probably worth just going 7 for a Renegade. And then maybe I can go 8 for Kai'Sa. I think that might be the play. Because the Infinity makes me tankier. Because it doubles my Blitzcrank, which is nice. I still need, you know, the Ionic Spark. Or a... I should hit a bow, because I don't think I've hit a bow yet. So I'm going to go for Tia here. If I can get it. Just make a Shiv. Surely I hit Tia, bow on the Krugs, or the Aurelion Sol, I mean. Because that will round out the comp really nicely. Giving me Shred, which I do still need. Who's a renegade I'm missing? I need a 4-cost renegade. Okay. I think I sell this for now. I'm actually gonna go for it now.
Open your eyes.
I mean, I might not hit. I think I need to just save up now, actually. Just throw on an MF just for the extra quick draw for now. But I think Renegade might be a bit better. Nice, we wrecked that Israel guy now.
Another bullseye.
So I have this useless Sivir on. I mean, she's just giving me Infinity. Like, if this is Ultimate Ezreal, we're chillin'. See, the thing is, I kind of want to keep my Blitz on this spot. Well, in fact, I have to. I do want him to get the item. I might actually swap these two like that. Oh, fuck. I gave Sivir the item. I'm trolling. No. Give Sivir a useless item. Well, she actually got Shred, which is low-key, that's fine. So I guess if I don't get a Shiv, I can always hope to get this item off the Raider Spoils. That's pretty low percentage. I think it's just always worth giving Blitz a tank item, but we'll see. Nice. I'm sorry, MF, but I think this is just better. Because I don't want to make my Infinity team useless, you know? But is it low-key useless? It might be. Because like level 8, I can always just go 4 quick draw, which might be better than Infinity. What Infinity gives me is this extra Blitzcrank. He has 1000 HP, and he gets 3 items. Like, that's not terrible. Alright, we got Shiv,
It's
nice.
not stealing if they're dead.
And then we can go like a Thieves Glove, maybe? With this? Or we can go Guard Breaker. I might go Guard Breaker, actually, I think. Do these people shield themselves? Actually, maybe not. I might just give it to Camille.
Let's get to work.
Pretty good Camille items to get there. There's the Blitz Hook. I mean, Ezreal is a secondary carry, like, he's gonna do a lot of damage as well. It's okay having Lucian on the other side. Nice. As long as Lucian just casts once on her, it's chill. Can we level? Yeah, we can level here. Do we want to though? We'd have 0 money. I think we can chill. We chill one more round. I'm very tempted to just forget about 5 Renegade, but look, if Lucian's the last guy alive, he's getting 70% damage instead of 45. So like low-key, that's fine. I dodges my hook. Oh, it's not a hook anyway. It's chill. Damn. That one is really 50-50 fight. You know, who hits the Ezreal first. Maybe I will level now. I feel like that's okay. can always put Lucian on this side, which I think I will swap to. But I want to avoid this guy's God for sure. I think that's okay. I could always third row the Lucian. Oh, but he moved anyway. It's cool. We dodged him. It's a nice blitz item to have. Garen's gonna get into the back here. Damn. Just a little damage. Wait, I got did a shit ton. Okay, guys. What can we give Ezreal? Maybe a Shojin just to help him cast a bit more. I feel like I need that on Ezreal. Because he's going to do a lot of damage here. He's actually doing more than the Lucian, actually. If I can get that Ezreal. Giant Slayer. Giant Slayer could be good, actually. I might actually give this to MF. Let's try that. These are nice MF items. Okay, his MF killed mine. Yeah, let's go Ezreal. Huge win. Really good win. Ezreal cooked at the end there. He's still doing the most damage. That's crazy. Alright, we need to... We can't really drop this Blitzcrank from that position. We don't have to give him the Radiant Relic. We can give it to someone else. Yeah. Not great. Oh yeah, his Ezreal's dead. Oh my god. His Ezreal killed mine. Fuck. Damn. Man, his Ezreal just fucking turned and one-shot my guy there. Oh, yes. Huge. That's really good. That is huge. Power spike. The ultimate Ezreal there. Yeah, this guy, if this guy's not on the slot, I think it's really shit. I think I need to just spread my guys a little bit here. I'm gonna give MF the item, I hope it's good. Oh, I'm getting wrecked here. Oh, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. We are cooking, guys. Nice. I'll just keep this Ezreal. Alright, top 3. Nice. If we just beat one more guy, I think we hit master. Okay, he has no QSS. He has no QSS. Gonna have to put Ezreal up here. Let's try that. Who does he hit with his QSS? Oh, I'm against the ghost. My MF beats his? Yeah, nice. We win this. I think we've done it, guys. I think that's top 2.
Jump for me.
Watch the animation of the other guy getting destroyed. Okay. The Battle of the Ezreals. Okay. He's gonna Zephyr somebody. He has QSS, so I'm not gonna... I might just give MF the item here. Let's see who he Zephyrs. He gets my Ezreal. That is kind of annoying. Oh, my MF ult is huge. Nice, we did it. Let's go! Good start. And that is Master Tier, guys. Awesome. Straight off the bat. Very nice. Good win. There we go. There's the animation. Very nice.